Discover a powerful alternative to ContactOut that helps you find emails and phone numbers at scale. This demo showcases how LinkFinder AI delivers comprehensive contact information efficiently and affordably. We can see that for $25 per month, you get 300 credits per month, allowing you to find up to 300 emails from this plan. If you want to find both email and phone numbers, the second plan starts at $49 per month, providing 600 export credits monthly to export up to 600 leads with their email and phone number. To find an alternative to ContactOut, you can go to the description of this video and click the first link, which redirects you to LinkFinder AI. Clicking the link will take you to LinkFinder AI, a strong alternative for discovering contact information. On the pricing page, you can see transparent plans starting at $29 per month. The Solo Prospector Starter Plan is designed for individuals doing occasional enrichment and outreach, priced at $49 per month billed annually. You can select the type of data you want to enrich, such as company name, company domain, email address, or LinkedIn company URL. Select the appropriate data type for your input to ensure accurate enrichment results. Next, select the output type you want, including LinkedIn profile data, phone number, or email address. Fill in the desired output type to tailor the enrichment to your needs. Click the field to enter the LinkedIn profile URL of the lead you want to enrich. Fill in the LinkedIn profile URL to start the enrichment process for that lead. Click the Enrich Data button to retrieve contact information based on the provided LinkedIn profile URL. The profile data found includes the LinkedIn URL and the lead's email address, such as sarah.johnson@salesforce.com. Fill in the desired output type for your enrichment results. Click the field to input the LinkedIn profile URL for the lead you want to enrich. Fill in the LinkedIn profile URL to start retrieving contact information. Click Enrich Data to process the input and find contact details. The lead's phone number is found and displayed, such as +1 3175002 2454. Select the data type again to specify the input for enrichment. Fill in the input data type to continue the enrichment process. Choose the output type, such as LinkedIn profile URL or verified email. Fill in the output type to tailor the enrichment results. Click the field to enter the full name of the lead for enrichment. Fill in the lead's full name, such as Sarah Johnson, to assist in finding contact information. Click the company name field to specify the lead's organization. Fill in the company name, such as Salesforce, to refine the search. Click Enrich Data to find the lead's contact information based on the provided details. Click the LinkedIn profile URL to view the lead's professional information. Click Upload CSV to perform bulk enrichment by uploading a file with multiple leads. Click Select File to choose the CSV file containing lead data for bulk processing. Click Process 4 items to start enriching multiple leads simultaneously, saving time and effort. Click Export to download your enriched lead data for further use. Click API Access to explore programmatic options for data enrichment. Click View API Docs to understand how to integrate LinkFinder AI with your systems. Click B2B Data Lookup to access API endpoints for retrieving contact information. Click LinkedIn Profile T Email to find email addresses via API calls. Review the example curl command for using the LinkedIn Profile to Email API endpoint. Click LinkedIn Profile to Phone to find phone numbers through API integration. Examine the example curl command for the LinkedIn Profile to Phone API endpoint.